For work or play, we'll make your day at Butler RV Center and Auto Sales.
Hi, Scott from Butler RV Center here. Today we're going to look at the Navigation. This is built by Recreation by Design. This trailer is actually 102 inches wide, not the normal 8 feet. It has a 12-volt heating pads on the tanks. The floor construction, instead of being 2x3s, it's actually a true 2x4 floor construction with 5/8 plywood laid over top. These units are built more residential than a travel trailer. It has the power awning. They're taller in height and wider. If you come inside, you see how much room you get just from that extra 102 inches. This unit here has another full bed in it. A second full bed. You got a stainless steel residential sink. You got a 11 cubic foot all 12 volt refrigerator. A pull out sleeper sofa. A booth dinette that has 2 chairs. It has a residential porcelain sink in the bathroom instead of plastic, a one-piece fiberglass shower, and a porcelain toilet. Then when you come up to the main bedroom, you got a king-size bed, lots of storage, shelves for anybody that might have a CPAP machine or anything you need to use, and then you got 2 drawers. You got a TV hookup over here. And this unit runs a 15,000 BTU air conditioner prepped for a second AC. Come and see us today at Butler RV Center.